Welcome to this short video showing you how to use RefWorks to save references from Summon. When you are searching Summon, you may want to save books or articles to refer to later. From the results screen, click the folder icon next to each result you want to save. This will save it to a temporary folder, which you can see at the top of the screen. This folder will empty after a couple of hours, or if you close your browser. If you want to save things permanently, you can sign up for a free RefWorks account. RefWorks gives you a permanent online folder where you can save and organize all of your research. Click the Sign Up button to create a RefWorks account. You will need to use your university email address. If you already have an account, you can sign up using the RefWorks link at the top right of the screen in Summon. Once you have logged into RefWorks, clicking the Saved Items folder in Summon will take you into your RefWorks account. Here you will see the items you have just saved from Summon. To get back into Summon, click the Back to Library search link at the top. Do not click the Back button in your browser. For more information about how to use RefWorks, please see the online user guide or the video tutorials on our YouTube channel. You can also come to the library help desk anytime during staffed hours, or you can call us or email us at any time.